Hi guys, this is Arnav from YouTube. Today we are talking about that Earth, Earth's general informations and its etymology and some of the other information about the Earth. Okay, first we start about the Earth, and it's a third planet of our solar system. It's a densest planet of our solar system. Also, it's the biggest planet of our solar system in the terrestrial planets of four planets. After that, it is the only planet in the units. It has the liquid water and with the habitable zone. Now we are finding it's the only planet. Livings are here, living beings, and that one its surface has almost 70.8 percentage as totally covered with the water, and 29.2 percentage only as a terrestrial core outer crust plane, also outer crust layer land also. And the dynamic it has a atmosphere. Its atmosphere has a dynamic. Mm, the dynamic makes the asteroid come from film to the earth. It stops mostly. It also burns the most of the meteor fell into the earth, and that it also oppose. It also it act like a shield of UV rays coming from the touch the earth. It almost act like a shield in the about the UV lights. And that I told about that its average temperature of the earth is also 14.78 degrees of 76 degrees Celsius. Mm, this and the shape of the earth is not a round shape. It it flattened in the north and southern parts and bulged in the equatorial parts also. Its circumference of the earth is also is almost 40,000 kilometers. Um, it takes it orbits the sun from around sorry, light come and touch from the earth. It takes to 8 minutes. That means one astronomical unit. It takes the light to touch the our earth. It takes 365.25 days, and it takes 23 hours 56 minutes to orbit itself. Mm, sorry, rotate itself, and mostly it tilted 23.4 degrees Celsius degree tilted, and mostly it has only one natural satellite. That satellite is moon. That makes our ocean tides up and down, and it stabilizes earth as earth and make it cooled also. um, and mm, so moon is tidally locked with the earth. That face the one side of the moon faces one side of to earth only. When it created, first it created the earth in 4.5 billion years ago. After the first billions of years, the living beings are also created and developed and spread across the world also. This makes the nature's the great oxidation event, because that after 2 billion years continuous living beings oxidation events. um, After the 2 billion years ago, the great aggregation event also phenomenon. Mm, After that, what I told, humans are uh, humans are humans thinking styles are come from only from the apes, That is in the Africa, mostly around 3 lakh 3 lakh years before. Mm. And now I told that start to Earth's name related information about the this video. Also continue, and the name Earth. It's a word come from the Middle English, from the Old English. Mostly, the ancient time they did not use the earth as a earth. The terra in Latin, the terra. The Greek they called it Gaia. Mm, in the Hindu culture, they called it Indian culture the more um, Tamil word Bhumi, Bulogam. Mm, mostly Roman. mm, Romance language mostly as a terra, mostly terra like Portuguese, Spanish, Latin also used in the like terra word also use that like the word. They had a different spellings. Mm, and what's that spelling is? In Spanish, T-I-E-R-R-A. In French, T-E-R-R-I-I-E. Mostly terra means T-E-R-R-A. Mm, mostly terra. The word is occasionally used in the scientific speeches and scientific paper publishers. The mostly the Germanic the ancient Germanic religions as maybe the earth maybe as a giantess god. They used to become the god. They pray as the earth as a god, which maybe research evidence. And mm, the then the Norse mythology, the god Thor's mother, Gentis, they call the earth. Earth called the mother of Thor. It's a thunder god in a Norse mythology. And I also told that some other information like that. Mostly the earthly word is come from the earth. Okay. Mm. After some researchers used I also told that the word earth they did not use the capital letter in E. After the in the old style, in the middle style, in the north after the modern English come to, they only used the earth. Mm. Earth is the only planet in the universe as a habitable zone. In the sentence, we used Earth E word capital. What are you doing in the Earth? In this sentence, we use the earth as a earth is a small letter. In colloquially, we use that. Um, but earth is officially we use it must to E, capital E. Okay, and the some other information is aphelion of the opinion of the earth is 15 crore 20 lakhs 97,597 kilometers, and the perihelion is also 10 lakh 47 10 crore 47 lakhs I think. 47 lakhs 92, so some of the kilometers I do not know the exact is. Its essentially is it's 0.016 is its essentially is and its radius also as 6000 6,371 kilometers. Its surface area it has a 50 crores 72,000 kilometers cube. Okay, kilometer square surface areas. So volume has a 1.08 0832 into 32 into 10 to the power 12 kilometer square, and the mass of the earth is also 5.2 5.97 to 1 217 into 10 to the power 24 kgs its mass. And its density of the earth is also 5.5 um, 5.5 centimeters. Its gravity is 9.8 9.87 meter by second square, and its escape velocity is 11.11 kilometer, 11 kilometer per second. Its escape velocity accelerated is 23.4 degrees Celsius. Its pressure is almost 1 point, sorry, 101.3 kPa Pascal unit at the sea level. At sea level, we see that 101 point, what is that, 32 kPa. In the pressure may be difference in the and the height of the mountains and below the sea levels also, and the temperature also. Bye bye, see you. Today video is over. This is Avana from YouTube. We will see in the next video about the year.